This video will show you how to reboot your Verizon Fios router. Need to reboot your Verizon Fios router? Here's what you should need to do. You should first locate your router. It is the one that looks like this. This one. Next is that it is usually a white or black box labeled Verizon or Fios G. Now unplug the power cable. So this one, the block what do you call this? Block circle right here, it is the power button. From the back of the router, if you have a separate optical network or ONT, you should leave that alone. You should unplug this. Then wait for about 2 to 5 minutes to reboot it completely. You'll see the lights come back on solid, white, or green. It means it is ready to use. Now reconnect your devices and you're done. Pro tip is that avoid pressing the reset button that erases your setting, which is this one right here. Just unplug it from the power wire, and it just erases your settings just like that.